So either I'm in Jumia, I don't pay. Yes. Either I'm subscribing to Netflix, I don't pay. Nope. Somebody might pay. What about Amazon? Come on, bro. Come on, man. I don't still pay. Do you want me to show you why? My name is Brain and welcome to my YouTube channel, and here I have a very nice gist for you guys. There is no need for you to use your actual credit card for any payment. If I say any payment, I mean any payment at all on the internet. This is why I can go cashless for almost 8 good months. Are you ready? I use a virtual credit card that is very convenient, and there is no need for you to worry yourself. Let me introduce you to what we call Neapay. This is the most secretive hack on the internet. Get to your browser, just type Neapay and then click on enter on your machine, and then this is the free way to move. Now you click on it, you create a virtual card, and then sign in, you are go. So here we go to tools, and then we have my favorite generate card or card generator. Click on it, allow it to load. What else do you need? Don't pay anything. Now after generating your card, here is it. You have a Visa card or whatever card that you want to do. Just click on generate a card. Wait a minute, don't rush. The card has been generated through Neapay. So this is what we call the visual card. You can't use it for actual payment, but it's just to verify your cards online, and then when you key in, everything will work. But this one is really useful for when you want to sign in or use a limit version of any product in the market. So when I say limit version of any product in the market, I'm talking about maybe you are signing into any free something, and they tell you enter your, don't worry yourself. Just come to Neapay, come to tools, and then card generation. You generate your card. Very simple. This is Brain here, and thank you all for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Let's wait for another gist, and then we are all here for you. Wait for me.